Hello, hello, hello my friends. Hello everybody, welcome on my channel. I hope you're well. Cheers, little coffee. My friends, in this new tutorial I will show you many things about tabletop photography. Many useful things. I have a list here. We're going to begin with a product very useful. It's Tachypody. This is Tachypody. Blue tack. This is very useful to mark the position of something on a set. Maybe you want to move it because you want to clean it. I have a product. I have a little setup here. I can show you the live view. Maybe you want to move this product because you want to clean it. You put a little here. You put a little here, and here you remove your object, and then you put it in place again at the same position. Okay. To move something, to mark the position of something, there is a different brand with a different adhesion level for each one. You have to try. Okay. There is also a product called Tachywax. It's a product more sticky. I don't like it personally. This is it. Okay. Tachywax. Another product, this is orthodontic wax. You found this in pharmacy. It's the same thing that Tachywax, but a little thicker, okay? But useful for holding certain objects in place on your set. So, cotton bud or cotton swad, you have a glass on your setup. You have whiskey on it, but you move it and you have nasty droplets. You take your cotton swab and you can remove it gently like so, and boom, problem solved. Okay, useful product. You can use also if you want to move something, some block of woods. I have some model here. You put one here, you put one here, you put one here. You move your object, you clean it, you put it in position again, and boom, problem solved again. Another solution. This is from a baby toy. Okay. What have we here? Fishing line. This is useful if you want to hold something and put a product floating in the air. Fishing line, different thickness, very useful. Razor blade. I have a different razor blade here, very useful with a razor blade holder or Stanley, I don't know the name exact, but to remove label, for example, on the back of a bottle, so the light can shine through to make a nice glow in it. You take your razor blade and you scratch, okay? Useful. There is another product, I don't know if I can grab it from here. I will try. It's called Gugon. If when you have removed your label with the razor blade there is still some sticky stuff. This product is very useful. It's called Glue Gun. Okay, Glue Gun. You take a little on a paper towel and you clean the bottle, and all the sticky stuff go away. What have we? Oh yes, you have the setup, but maybe another setup. You have something to do, and you have to put a glass, but in this position. How to do? My solution is to use super glue, super glue. This model, this is what I use. I don't know, yes. Super glue, okay. In combination with an activator. You put your super glue on, you put some activator. This allows the glue to glue faster and your glass stay in place. I will show you. Not easy this way. I put some glue, boom, some activator, put my glass, I wait a little, hope this will work. Okay. And my glass is in place and stay in place, okay? Super glue, very useful. I have to get a new one, by the way. Okay, this is for super glue. I go up, you put it off, you take your razor blade and you scratch. And boom, it's off. You take something to clean with a little alcohol, domestic alcohol. This is a black glossy surface, a glass. Okay. I have a little setup with this bottle of perfume. I will put it in place again, approximately. Okay, something like this. A diffusion material on the back with a light behind, with a reflector, honeycomb grid of 10 degrees and a green gel. Gel is very useful to make some effects in your product photography. You can buy a set, for example, from Leaf Filter called Lighting Pack Master Location. You have in it 36 different color shades of color. Very, very useful Leaf Filter, okay? This is the 216 from Lee, the diffusion material, by the way. I have another sheet here with a strip box, a little strip box behind. And the strip box, this is just to illuminate the label. The light behind to make the glow behind the bottle, the green glow. And a mirror on this side just to reflect the light of this side. Okay, this is to illuminate the cap and the label. I can show you, I will take a picture if you want. Just test my light, yes, it works. I take a picture so you can see the result. If you want to glue something but you want to use something else than super glue, something safer is a glue gun. I have two models here. Glue gun is good because you can remove it without any problem and without affecting your product. We have reflective cards, different model of reflective cards. If you want to bounce the light from here, for example, and to make a glow inside the bottle, there is different colors, yellow when you have a whiskey or a cognac or something, red, blue, green. We have a green product here. We can use, for example, I will put the live view again. You take your cards and you pick the light from here. The easiest way is to put something behind to hold the cards, a piece of wood. I put this on it, like this. Boom. MacGyver. You put this behind. You search the good, something like this. You take a picture. And it's a different kind of glow, but you get the point, okay? Not as nice as the real in this case. So, my friends, what have we? Some little thing like tweezer. Very useful if you want to pick something, especially in food photography. You want to grab something. I have a big model, a little model. So maybe you want to freeze your glass or your bottle. You want a freezing effect on the bottle. You can take canned air. You take it upside down, and this will give some nice freezing effect. As you can see. You see? Nice. Gloves also, very useful. I have white cotton gloves to avoid fingerprint when you move perfume or something. I have a setup here. I have a light here. I was just making some tests. I have a light with a grid. And red gel here, and I have a my smoke machine here, just to show you what kind of thing we can do. I will put the red light is shining behind the bottle, where I will put the smoke, and I will take a shot. Just to show you what you can do with this kind of stuff. Little setup. Okay. What have we? Boom. Okay, nice. You see? You can do a very, very nice thing with just a little imagination and how to shape the light and to use it. So, my friends, I see you soon for a new adventure in product photography. It was a pleasure. I see you soon. Ciao.